Hey guys, welcome back. This is Emmy and you're watching Android Power. MiA1 has got official stable MIA security update based on Android 9 Pie and the update size is 70 MB. If you are currently running the previous build of 10.0.8.0, I will give you a full review of this update. Make sure you watch the full video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are first time here, I request to all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more future videos from Android Power. If already done that, then please like this video, it's free and it motivates me to make this kind of content. So I have updated my phone. So let's go to system settings, about phone, and as you can see OS version is Android 9 Pie and security patch level is from MiA1 and the build date is from MiA14 and the build number is 10.0.9.0. OS features and all, they are just the same. And talking about some other things, there is a HT icon on the status bar for VoLT or HT calling. With previous build of Pi, many were facing network issues. In my testing, there is no issue with network and calling via Geo VoLT have no issues. Also with this update, low call volume has fixed. Now the call volume is good enough. If you still have network or low call volume issue, then do let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about Camera2 Api in this update. Some users are saying Camera2 Api is pre-enabled with this update. I have already enabled Camera2 Api using ADB method, so I can't check. So please let me know about that. If not, and if you want to use Google Camera, then you can watch my previous video on how to install Google Camera on MiA1. Regarding the camera, you have the same camera app, the shutter speed is fast, no lag while clicking multiple pictures, and picture quality is also fine, no new modes and no EAS update on the camera app. In all previous builds of Pi, I feel the sound output was flat, and in this update, audio and video playback have no issues or sound via headphone jack. On previous build, sound was flat with loudspeaker. I feel the loudspeaker is still same. They are not improving the sound quality of the loudspeaker from many previous builds. Regarding the fingerprint accuracy, fingerprints unlock the phone in about a second. In this update, fingerprint is same as before. Regarding the location lock, I tried locking my location and it takes time to lock my location, but no issues with GPS. But yes, GPS slow with this update like previous update. I have also tried checking USB Otg support with this update. Some users are saying that with this update they are not able to use Otg. But here I have no issues with Otg. If you guys are facing this issue and you can't connect your Otg, then go to system settings, then developer options, then go to USB transfer and select it to file transfer and check if it's working or not. If we talk about RAM management with this update, RAM management is aggressive with this update. As of now, I have no issues with the RAM management. Moving to the benchmarks, the Antutu version 7 score is 76,932. The Geekbench score for single CPU core is 888 and multi-core score is 4194. So alright guys, that's it for now. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.